Saan nga ba papunta yung gold? So it came from the all-time high for 380 and now it went to as low as 3,900 or 3,850. So yun yung pinakamababa niyang binalikan so far. So napakalaki ng jump, no? So it's around the 400 dollars down. So it's one of the biggest decline. And now it's around 4,000, trading 4,000. So let's check kung saan nga ba tayo pupwestuhin, kung ano nga ba yung pwede nating gawin sa pagtitrade ng gold. Okay, so for our time frame, and ito nga yung tinitingnan natin, no? So I'm seeing here na it's gonna go trading sideways. Okay, that's my opinion and that's my analysis because of due to fundamentals, medyo mixed yung sentiment, no? There's this interest rate na hindi na siya ganun katindi yung balita ng interest rate because of the US shutdown. So due to the lack of data, due to the lack of actual data from the economic side, no? So hindi ma-provide kasi due to the US shutdown. So yun yung nagiging reason kung bakit mababa yung chance na magkaroon ng interest rate cut. And also there's this possibility of yun nga, ongoing yung pagtagal ng US shutdown. So inversely correlated, kapag mababa yung dollar, tataas si gold, but that's not the case anymore. So again, and the US China trade war, so it's still ongoing with the trade agreement. So wala pang resulta yan. And yun nga, what we can do is that we can trade this sideways movement from here, and yan, so from 4,030 to 3,900. So that's the current range right now. So yun nga, pakita natin yung kanina, no, yung ating mga signals. So in the morning, yan, may signal tayo. Yan, so nag-buy tayo, buy gold 3973, and yan yan, TP natin, no. And every TP was hit, so gaining, TP1 hit. So and if you want to join our Telegram community, and if you want to learn more about trading, so meron tayong free webinars dyan. And you can also message me if you want to have a one-on-one session as well, and that's all for free. Okay, so this is all for free. And yun nga, no, so profit, that's a $28 move dun sa signal natin. And ito nga yung mga sinusundan natin, no. So going back, and so that's our bias right now, that it's gonna go sideways. So from here we can do sell. So as you can see, coming from here, tumaas siya, no. And once na na-reach na itong resistance, it's showing signs of exhaustion, and also it may go down. So we can expect that it can go down further here, but we are still banking on the bullishness of gold, overall bullishness. So even though na it's around 3973, nag-buy tayo, no. So hindi na natin siya hinintay all the way down here. So there's a lot of support areas here, so we are still bullish bias, but we are a bit cautious. Yan. So kapag lumalapit siya dito sa resistance area natin, then we can sell. Yan. So pag lumapit naman siya dito sa support natin, then we can buy as well. Okay, so this is on a 4-hour time frame, and yun nga, dito sa execution level natin, yan, sinusundan natin na linya, no. Okay, so yan yung channel line na sinusundan natin. So we are still consolidating. Yan. So kapag napasag niya itong nasa taas na to, 4,030, then we can expect a further upside at around 4,050, or even higher at the 4,100. So kind of oversold levels na to. So we can expect a bounce here. Yan, sakto-sakto sa channel line natin. Okay, so that's it. And again, I want to invite you sa ating Telegram community. And if you want to start your trading journey, nandiyan na yung mga links niyan sa ating bio or sa description box below. So see you there.